hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your projector screen is showing up and down. As you can see guys, the screen was totally flipped off my projector. So now let's see how to fix this problem. So if you are also facing the same type of problem on your remote guys, what you need to do, just in your remote here you can get the rotating screen button. As you can see guys, just need to simply press it, okay, like this, until you will get the right screen option. As you can see guys, still your problem was not solved. Now what you need to do, you need to go to your projector settings like this. In the projector settings, go to display settings, or here if the other external third-party display was connected, just you need to disconnect it from your projector. Same thing if you have any particular display settings or resolution settings, just you need to reset these settings to their original default. If you have connected any HDMI cable, USB cable, VGA cable, any kind of cable to your projector, just you need to disconnect it from your projector. That's it, okay. Otherwise simply you need to restart your projector. Just power off your projector and power back it on, okay. So normally the setting is available in remote only, so just need to press this button, screen rotating button from your remote. It will 100% fix your problem, okay. So that's it for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.